Students, today we are going to start the chapter 5th. So the name of the chapter is Theory of Demand. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, contents of the chapter you are given. So the first is concept of demand. Okay. So in this concept of demand, we have to discuss the meaning of demand and quantity demanded. Means meaning of demand and what is the meaning of quantity demanded. So we will be able to differentiate the difference between demand and quantity demanded. Okay. So first that we will also discuss today concept of demand means the difference between demand and quantity demanded. So the second we have demand schedule. In this we will talk about individual demand schedule means demand of the commodities in the economy by individual consumer. Then market demand means more than two consumer, and then we have demand curve and its slope. Means what is the shape of demand curve, what is the slope, इसका slope कैसे होएगा, ठीक है. So that we will draw on the basis of demand schedule. Okay. Then the next we will discuss demand function showing relationship between demand and its various determinants. Means demand function means the functional relation between demand and price. Okay. So in this we will talk about the also demand and its various determinants कि प्राइस के अलावा अदर कौन से डिटर्मिनेट्स है जो कि डिमांड को इफेक्ट करते हैं. मेनली वी टॉक डिमांड विद द relation related to price. Okay. Then there are also many other variables that affect the demand. So we will also talk about the various determinants. Then law of demand. Law of demand means what it says. So mainly it means the relation between price and quantity demanded. So there is the negative relation between price and demand. जब प्राइस ज़्यादा होता है तो क्वांटिटी कम डिमांड की जाती है किसी भी कमोडिटी की, एंड प्राइस कम होता है तो क्वांटिटी डिमांड ज़्यादा की जाती है. सो देर इज अपोजिट रिलेशन. सो इन दिस वी विल टॉक हाउ क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ ए कमोडिटी रिस्पॉन्स टू चेंज इन प्राइस. मीन्स व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड व्हेन देर इज change in the price of the commodity, either price increase or decrease. Then we have change in quantity demanded and change in demand. Means can demand shift or change in quantity demanded. Then we have cross price effect showing how price of related good affect demand of a commodity. Means related goods. In related goods we include two type of goods, substitute goods and complementary goods. Okay. Substitute goods, for example Pepsi and Coca-Cola, these can be substitute. Okay. Like Mirinda, we can say Dew, these are substitute of each other, and chai and coffee, these are also substitute. Okay. So if price of the tea goes up, then the consumer will shift to the coffee. Okay. And complementary goods means, for example car and petrol, so these are the complementary of each other. Ink and pen, refill we can say. Then relationship between income and demand. So the next is relation between income and demand. No doubt demand is affected by the price, but there are also other factors, and income is also most important factor that affect the demand. Then impact of taste and preferences on demand for a commodity. Okay. Taste and preferences का जो commodity है उसकी demand पे क्या effect पड़ेगा. So these are the content that we have to discuss step by step in this chapter. So today we will talk about only the difference between demand and quantity demanded, and we can say the meaning of demand. What is demand? Concept of demand we are going to discuss. The name of the chapter is Theory of Demand. Okay. So in this video we will talk about the topic of demand. Okay. So we have to talk related to demand only. Okay. So we will focus that what is demand, what it means. So what do you think? What is the meaning of demand? Yes, what is demand? Normally we use the word desire, okay, and wish and demand. So normally we take the meaning of these words in a similar way, okay. Desire means demand only, wish means demand only, and demand means demand, okay. But we see from the economics point of view, then demand, desire and wish, these are different in meaning, okay. Desire does not mean demand and demand does not mean desire, okay. So what the desire means? Desire means that is the desire only, means your desire, your wish is to purchase a LED TV. For example, your desire is to purchase a LED TV, okay. But the constraint is that you don't have sufficient money to purchase this LED TV. So is demand? Of course no, that is not the demand, because you don't have that particular money. Your desire, that is your desire only, your wish only, कि आप चाहते हो कि आपके पास LED TV हो, लेकिन अगर आपको खरीदने के लिए उतने पैसे नहीं हैं, it means that is not your demand. And you can take other example, like you need that you have your personal phone, okay, cell phone. But if you don't have sufficient money to purchase that phone, it means that is not your demand, okay. That is your desire only, your wish only. So that is not called demand in economics. So what is demand? Okay. The second situation can be like you have the money. For example, you have the 10,000 money, but you do not want to purchase that thing, means LED TV or cell phone. You have the money, but you don't want to purchase. You don't want to spend on purchase of LED TV, this 10,000 rupees. So that is demand? No, that is also not demand, because you have the money but you are not spending. You don't want to purchase. It means that is not the demand. Okay. So demand means, what is demand? Demand means you have that particular money and also you are willing to purchase that particular good. आपके पास उतने पैसे भी हैं और आप willing हो, आप खरीदना चाहते हो उस गुड को. That only demand will emerge. Okay. So desire, wish and demand in economics, they have different meaning. Desire means that is only desire means you have the desire to purchase that thing but you don't have money. Okay. It means demand will not emerge. That is not called the demand. Then the second is demand. You have the money but you don't want to spend that money, then also demand will not emerge. So what is demand? Demand in economics, normally demand refers to different possible quantities. Demand refers to different possible quantities of a commodity that the consumer is ready to buy at different possible price of that commodity in a given period of time. So what is demand? Demand means different possible quantities of a commodity that the consumer is ready to purchase or to buy at the different possible price of the commodity. कि जो consumer है वो different quantities को क्या कर रहा है? Purchase करना चाहता है किस पे? Different जो उसके prices given है उस पे. Okay? अगर मान लो उसको चाहिए लेकिन वो अपनी मनी स्पेंड नहीं करना चाहता, वो बाय करने के लिए रेडी नहीं है, इट मीन्स दैट इज नॉट डिमांड. डिमांड मीन्स जो कंज्यूमर है उसके पास उतना पैसा भी है, वो विलिंग भी है, अपने मनी को स्पेंड करना चाहता है. ठीक है. सो जो भी प्राइस है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर एक कंज्यूमर है उसको खरीदना है, वो खरीदना चाहता है रेफ्रिजरेटर. ठीक है, रेफ्रिजरेटर खरीदना है, तो उसके पास उतने पैसे भी हैं, ठीक है, मान लो ये है 15,000 का। सो जो कंज्यूमर है उसके पास इतने पैसे भी हैं जितने प्राइस की ये चीज है। ओके, ये कॉमोडिटी 15,000 की है, इट मीन्स द कंज्यूमर मस्ट हैव दैट मनी एंड ही इज विलिंग टू परचेज। मनी के साथ साथ वो खरीदने का इच्छुक भी है, लेना भी चाहता है इन द गिवन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, उस जो टाइम पीरियड गिवन है। सो डिमांड मीन्स refers to different possible quantities of a commodity that the consumer is ready to buy at different possible price of the commodity. Okay, now the term come quantity demanded. Okay, there are two terms, demand and quantity demanded. So these also have different meaning. Demand means different possible quantities of the commodity, कि जो कॉमोडिटी है उसकी अलग अलग क्वांटिटीज को परचेज किया जा रहा है अलग अलग प्राइसेस पे। बट व्हाट इज क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड? क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड क्या मीन्स कि किसी कॉमोडिटी के स्पेसिफिक कॉमोडिटी को परचेज करना, दैट इज क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड। सो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड मीन्स refers to specific quantity to be purchased against a specific price of the commodity. Okay, कि जो गुड है उसका स्पेसिफिक प्राइस है, उसकी जो स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी है उसको परचेज किया जा रहा है। लाइक आई हैव गिवन यू द एग्जांपल लाइक रेफ्रिजरेटर। सो कितने ही रेफ्रिजरेटर प्रोड्यूस होते होंगे इकोनॉमी में, सो कंज्यूमर है वो स्पेसिफिक एक क्वांटिटी इस कॉमोडिटी के परचेज कर रहा है, स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी एट द गिवन स्पेसिफिक प्राइस, और उसका जो प्राइस है वो भी गिवन है। सो दैट इज क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड। एंड डिमांड मीन्स कि different possible, like there is a consumer and price of the commodity is given 5, 4, 3 and quantity of apple we can say. So consumer is purchasing 1 kg apple at the when the price of the apple is 5 rupees per kg. Okay, he purchased 2 kg apple, when the price reduced it become 4. Then when price is 3, then consumer is purchasing 4 kg. It means with the decrease in the price, consumer is purchasing different possible quantity of the particular commodity. So that is the demand. Okay, so demand means different possible quantities of the commodity that the consumer is willing, or we can say ready to purchase at the given price of the commodity. Okay, and quantity demanded means it is the specific quantity of a commodity that consumer is ready to purchase at the given specific price of the commodity. Okay, so students, we have discussed only the meaning of demand. What is demand? So demand means it is the quantity of a commodity that the consumer is willing to purchase at the different possible price of the commodity. Okay, so watch the video and also read the chapter from your book. Read the meaning of demand and quantity demanded. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.